Okay, this is my golf swing, and so you can see, this is me breaking down my golf swing when I went to college. So yeah, so you can see my backswing starts okay with my left arm a little bit wide, but it's okay. Comes up to here, then I take it really fast up, which I don't really like or want, so I have to fix that. I more likely want my left arm to go like more like this. My club shaft is okay. I come a little bit too long back in my backswing. That makes it hard to come down in my downswing before my hips turns. So my hips turn